Hello, namaste, and welcome. This guided meditation takes you through a traditional 61-point scan of the body. Thank you for meditating with me. Let's begin. Make yourself comfortable with your back straight if possible. The body scan meditation works well when you're sitting in a chair or lying down on your back, with the arms and legs symmetrical. Do what's comfortable for you. Close your eyes if that feels right. And as you breathe in, you may want to gently shrug your shoulders slightly up towards your ears. And when you breathe out, release the shoulders, releasing tension. A few more breaths like that in your own time. Slow and easy breathing in through the nose. And when you breathe out, you might want to open the mouth a little and whisper sigh the breath all the way out, letting go of your day. Perhaps move your jaw a little from side to side, releasing tension in the face, the mouth, the forehead. Whenever you're ready, allow the breath to settle into its natural rhythm now. And notice how you feel. Notice your mind, your thoughts. Be curious about your current state of being without any judgment, noticing everything exactly as it is. Make any adjustments to be completely comfortable now as you settle in. Allow yourself to be here now, fully present in this body scan meditation. During this journey of awareness through the body, as you hear each point being named, direct your attention there and pin your focus on just that point until you hear the words of the meditation guiding you to the next point, and you move your focus there. You might also imagine that you are shining a soft light on each point. That can help to move the mind from its external busyness to a more inward focus. There's no way to do this wrong. Do what feels right for you. When you notice that the mind has moved into thinking, into the future or the past, that's okay. That's the natural tendency of the mind. Simply see that as an opportunity to gently come back to the words of the meditation, bringing yourself back to this moment again and again without judgment. Beginning the body scan now with the point between the eyebrows. Perhaps a soft, star-like point of light between the eyebrows. Awareness now to the center of the throat. Perhaps a soft point of light, center of the throat. Right shoulder. Right elbow, right wrist, tip of the right thumb, soft light, tip of the index finger, tip of the middle finger, the little finger. Right wrist, right elbow, right shoulder, center of the throat, soft star-like point of light. Left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist, tip of the left thumb, tip of the index finger, tip of the middle finger, ring finger, and the little finger. Left wrist, left elbow, left shoulder, center of the throat, soft light. The heart center, center of the chest, soft light. Right chest, heart center, left chest, heart center, soft light. Center of the navel, soft light. Center of the pelvis, soft light. Right hip joint, right knee, right ankle, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe, right ankle, right knee, right hip joint, pelvic center, soft light. Left hip joint, left knee, left ankle, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe, left ankle, left knee, left hip joint, pelvic center, soft light. Navel center, soft light. Heart center, soft light. center of the throat. Eyebrow center. Now the whole body. Feel the whole body. All the points of light shining gently throughout the whole body, from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. From the heart center to the tip of the fingers, entire body filled with gentle, nourishing light. Whole body resting and at ease. Body resting, mind releasing. Body breathing without effort, receiving and releasing the breath with ease. Whole body softening, deepening into relaxation, moment by moment. Each breath taking you deeper. Peaceful, resting, content, an inner quiet, calm and peaceful. Your body in deep relaxation, while the mind is gently aware and awake. If you wish to fall asleep, sweet dreams, or remain in this conscious rest state of meditation for as long as you wish. Whenever you feel ready, you can open your eyes. I hope this meditation has brought you a sense of calm. Thank you for sharing this time with me. May you have a good day or evening, and I look forward to meditating with you again soon.